guys, and welcome to this week's video. As you can tell, I'm filming on my phone, and this is because it's gonna be kind of like a day in the life kind of vlog, because I do enjoy these, and the best day to do them is obviously on a Wednesday because I have loads of free time, and this is one of my main days for getting things done if I've got a day off and I'm not at work, obviously. As you can tell, I'm still in my PJs and I've got a bare face because I've just woken up. I've got my breakfast of just coffee because that's the best thing ever. And I'm just going to talk you through what I'm planning to do today. I put you against my mug of coffee because my arms are actually aching already. How am I going to do this today? Who knows? But today's plan is to film a video, not just this one, and I need to do some more blog posts. I need to take some photos for them, like type them up, schedule them for the next couple of weeks, and I need to do my bullet journal, which is this little friend here, and I need to start filling in my doodle a day because I did make a page of doodles, but I actually haven't filled it in, so I'm gonna do that this morning because it's chill time with my coffee. And if you want to see goals, feel free to pause this and have a look. But yeah, that's just my general bullet journal, and I'm just gonna start filling that in. Other things, I want to finish The Book of Dust, which is one of my new favourite books. I've literally got under 100 pages to go, and yeah, I don't know what else. We'll see. I'll take you guys along with me. Also really want to show you the new bits I put in my room, things I've changed slightly. I'm sure you guys will appreciate it because if you love plants and interior design like I do, then you should be excited because I didn't even spend that much on these bits, and they're like changing my room already, and this is before I've even decorated it properly. So I'm gonna start filling this in with my Muji pens, and I'll get back to you when I look more alive. Makeup is now done and I'm ready to start the day. I'll show you quickly what I used because it's one of my new favorite ever palettes. It's the Rady Daylight palette, and I basically use the greens, and it's a stunning palette that I'm actually obsessed with. Like, if you know me, I love my bright colors, and this is just heaven. I can't even. And I actually have used this in a previous video, which I'll link as a card right here, right now, so you guys can go and watch me create another colourful look. But yes, now that I've done my makeup, I'm going to start filming a video. And also, typical YouTuber life, even though this isn't my job, I've got a nice top on, some jewellery, but also some jogging bottoms. These are from Primark. They're from Riverdale merch, but I just love the pink and the blue and the green, and they're just so freaking comfy. So business at the top, cash chillax at the bottom. Yes, and I'm ready to film a video. Got my camera set up, my props and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video this week or the week after, depending on how much I like this vlog. But yes, I'm gonna be doing that, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Don't know what I'll say, but yes, can we just take a moment for my eye makeup though? I'm obsessed with it. Filming is now done and I am just importing the footage I filmed onto my laptop to edit this afternoon. I don't know if I'm actually going to edit it because I do want to do some bloopers like I said. But firstly, before I ruin my bedside table to take some book photos, I'm going to show you guys what I have done with my room recently to get you guys like inspired if you do want to do up your room. It's not like obviously fully finished because, a long story short, I have a serious damp problem on this wall here. It's the outside wall, and because I live in an old house, it gets quite cold on that wall, hence why there's mold. So hopefully pretty soon in the spring I'm gonna strip everything down, help my parents re-wallpaper this room, paint it white, and just get some fresh new furniture, make it a bit more me, and put my stamp on it. So what I've got so far in my room is the start of it, but I've not actually obviously stripped the wallpaper yet, but I'm getting there. So enjoy. Starting here, obviously you know this is from Tiger, my new favourite thing. Think I'm gonna move it when I redo my room, but this is where the main magic has happened, because I went to TK Maxx yesterday as I'm filming this and I found these tulips. These are actually fake. Can you believe this? I mean, it was £10 a bunch, so it spent £20, but tell me these do not look real, because I'm shooketh to the core by this. And these are going to be in my vase for the rest of the spring, and I could just imagine having these in my future kitchen, just looking fresh forever. Thinking of getting more colours, but obviously £10 a bunch is quite expensive, so I held back. But so far with all my other plants, it looks super stunning and cute. And then obviously I've moved this plant here, which was on my bedside table and also on my shelf. Excuse this mess, I'm gonna tidy up pretty soon. And then this side, you can see there's a massive difference. Look at that horror. That makes me recoil with horror. But this bit, excuse, this is a charity bag. This little bit here is a new. This plant store is exactly what I want. It's literally Pinterest in a plant store, and I had to buy it. And also this plant, so that one was £25, this one was 20, so obviously that was already a lot of money. But I really want a banana leaf plant, and this was fake, and this is the most kind of real looking one I found, because obviously I don't want to care for a real plant this big because I will probably kill it off. I'm okay with cacti, but not these. So this is going to be like in the corner here when I redo my room. I will show you a fully renovated room tour when I finish it, but right now this is the situation. But I'm obsessed with this. And then the next thing is just a rejig of my shelves. And this plant right here is brand new, also from TK Maxx. I liked it because it was ivy, and this plant pot is amazing. And I want to put white shelving here, get rid of this pinboard, so this will definitely stand out. And I'm gonna have that on there as well. And yeah, just love it. And I also replanted this little guy, so he's much happier and healthier. So yeah, that's my room. If you didn't see it on my Insta story recently, yay! I've decided to cook myself an early lunch, so taking a break from editing and showing you guys what I'm having for lunch because I'm so excited. My mom very kindly bought me this vegetable lasagna from Iceland, and I'm so excited because I love the pizza in Iceland from the Gino range, and I'm so excited to have this. So it's going to take like half an hour, but I can wait. I'm so excited. I keep saying I'm so excited, but I'm so excited, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's literally this here, and it's got mushrooms and things like that, and loads of cheese, and yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes and I'll show you when it's done. But it looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Also, if you do want me to do more what I eat in a day videos, because I did really enjoy doing them last year, then do let me know in the comments below and I will do them for sure. I'll probably do some like Insta story polls and stuff for it, so let me know there as well. But I'm gonna get back to editing and I'll show you when the lasagna is cooked. Yay! 35 minutes later and this is what my lasagna looks like. It looks so good. I know I'm gonna destroy it when I take it out of this, so I'm showing you quickly now and I'm literally so excited. I've never been more excited to eat pasta in my life. Oh my gosh. Here is now edited and saving. Excuse the budgies because they're super loud, but this might be this week's video. I'm not too sure, but you'll know if this video goes up before this one. But I'm currently watching Sabrina and I'm excited to have a chill afternoon for the rest of the day. I think I'll just read some of my book. I'll show you which one I'm on. I'm reading Little Book of Dust, La Belle Sauvage, and it's amazing. I've literally got that much to go, so I might read that and finish watching Sabrina, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, as you can tell it is the next day. Well, actually it's 2 days later since I filmed the main bulk of this vlog, but I really wanted to share with you guys my online order from Minga London, which is a brand I've only just discovered and it's got pretty unique clothes. It's pretty much Lazy Earth but slightly cheaper, but the only thing is I have to pre-warn you before I show these clothes, delivery is expensive. I paid £8 for this order.
I've only got 2 things which would have cost me only £40. Why? But that's because everything, I think they've got a depot in Portugal, which is why it's so expensive, but I don't understand why, because it's advertised as a UK-based brand. Maybe for only designing the clothes, maybe it's cheaper to get it made in another country and stored there, I don't know.
But anyway, enough complaining because I actually love the brand and their clothes. I'm going to show you. So it came in this really cute bag. Obviously, I've already opened this, but it was pretty flat anyway. So this is the brand. Few people I know on Instagram follow the brand, so, and they had over 300,000 followers, so it's quite legit. And it did come really quickly anyway, which I'm glad about. So I got this really cute little card. There is a discount code underneath this, but I'm not going to share it with you because I'm using it myself, just because I don't want to pay delivery. I'm going to cut that bit off, the summary. But yeah, I love this quote. I might put it up on there because this one's one of those discount quotes from Lazy Earth. I saw this on Insta stories as an advert, and I think maybe because I was looking at a lot of Lazy Earth but not really interested, so maybe that's why. But the first thing I bought is a reminder of the Fiorucci, it's those angels those angels are always on t-shirts and stuff, and this is a really good knockoff and it's more my style. So I was persuaded by my friend to get this because I was debating, so I did, and I'm actually glad because it's so cute. It looks like the angels, but they got flower crowns and stuff, and it says innocence, and it's a nice white oversized t-shirt, which I think is gonna look super cute with like jeans, Lazy Earth cardigan that I've got. And I did get this in the smallest size, so it only comes in small, medium, large, and it's supposed to be an oversized tee, so I'm glad I got the smaller size because it is still slightly big for me, but I love it. Here's a close-up. Now the next thing I got is along the same lines. It's part of a collection they've done called Angelic Dreams, which it literally looks like a Lazy Earth collection. And this is a velvet slim fit top. So again, small, medium, large. I got a medium. These are the angels, and if you know me, I love my cherubs. And I have a cherub phone case. I have a cherub Oyster card holder. So this will match it, and it's pink, which is so cute. And it's this. Oh my god, it's so cute. and it's a crop fit, so it will be okay just to like tuck in to like trousers and stuff, but I think it will also be okay just to have over, because sometimes I'm like, I don't want to tuck in my top but it's too long. So I think this is going to be perfect. I might wear this today actually, but it literally looks like the cherubs on my phone case, and then you turn it round and then they go again. And just love like the white fade of the clouds and stuff. It literally looks like I'm wearing a pink sky with cherubs. I love it. And price wise, t-shirt was I think £19, and this one, I don't know, hopefully it says, I think it was like 26. Yeah, £26, and yeah, got the little labels on there. So yeah, that's my mini haul, because obviously I've never bought from Minga before, so I will see how these wear, and I might make a future purchase when I next get paid. I don't know. Yeah, that's my haul. I will catch you guys in 1 second to show you what they look like on. So I'm only going to show you this top right now because I gotta leave to run some errands, but look how it matches my phone case. It's so cute. You can tell it's quite cropped but fits quite well, and then you can also tell why I needed a medium. But I just love how it's so like, I don't know, it's so stunning. It's very Instagram, and yeah. Let me hold up the t-shirt to me so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. So that's kind of like what it's gonna be, obviously tucked into jeans. It's gonna look super cute, and yeah, very happy with my purchases. I've also done plaits and e-girl inspired makeup, so I feel very Instagram cool slash e-girl slash Insta famous people, you know, those people that put fake freckles on their cheeks. They just look effortlessly cool in any clothes, and they wear Minga London because their Instagram's full of them. So yes, I think I'm gonna leave this vlog here because I'm gonna do nothing else, and I really want to edit and schedule this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you want more day in a lives. Also, like I said the other day, if you want what I eat in a day videos. So yes, have a lovely weekend, and I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye.